Hey guys, it's Trace from Signal by Sony. I'm here with Christina from Sony Digital Imaging again. And we have an AS100 Action Cam here. What's up with that?
That's right. This is our Action Cam that we introduced earlier this year. And today I wanted to share with you a really big surprise.
It's big, but it's not big?
Not so big. It's Action Cam Mini.
It's so little.
We shrank him. We did. We took down the size, but you're not going to lose any of the functionality really than the big guy here. So you're still shooting in HD video. You still have the ZEISS all-glass lens, the Exmor R CMOS sensor for really cool imaging in low light situations. But one of the things that we did do to realize the smaller size is to take out the GPS receiver from the unit.
Yeah, you showed me this thing right here.
Yeah.
So is this where the GPS is now?
Yeah, that's called a Live View remote, and you can purchase it as a bundle with the new Action Cam Mini. And what it does is it allows you to frame up your shot so you can see what your camera's doing. You can control up to 5 of them at the same time. Right here. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. So there's an LCD here. It's full color. You can watch what the Action Cam is shooting. You can also play back. And then yes, the GPS receiver is in the watch. So if you wanted to shoot GPS data onto the video so you can play back and kind of watch the routes that you were going, say if you're mountain biking.
So you made it smaller just by taking out the GPS. There's nothing else that I'm going to lose by going from this to this?
I mean, it's the same HD video, again, the same lens, the same sensor, the same processor, same SteadyShot. These are really key features that we've brought into the line because everyone's just going crazy over it. You still have the stereo mic mounted in the front, so it's amazing audio. You can actually even live stream from the camera itself.
So it has SteadyShot in it, but it's exactly the same as the old SteadyShot too?
Yeah, it's an industry standard for us anyway. I mean, of course, Sony Digital Imaging, right? We are the makers of true cameras, so you have the SteadyShot built in. This technology allows you to run around with the camera, and it basically steadies it out, no bumps, no craziness. As a matter of fact, a lot of people are mounting these to little phantoms, right? So little drones, if you will, to take aerial photography.
Yeah.
If you don't have the SteadyShot built in, what you're going to find is what they call a jello effect, right? So it's kind of wobbly and not really stable at all. But with the SteadyShot built in, you kind of bypass that whole effect right there.
So once I'm connected to the phone, do I get the GPS from the phone?
No, that's what you would need the Live View remote for, as well as you need the Live View remote to multi-camera control. So you can control up to 5 of these guys at the same time.
Whoa.
And with Play Memories Home, which is a free software, you can lock up to 4 of these screenshots. So it's pretty cool, right? So you can have, I mean, these are so inexpensive now and so small that you can have, say if you're riding a bike or driving a car, you can have one shooting yourself so you get your facial expressions and the road ahead, that kind of thing. So it kind of makes some really interesting video.
Yeah. So this guy's really little, but this guy's little too. So why would you make something that's already smaller? What's the point?
Well, I'll tell you, when you're dealing with action sports, the smaller and the lighter, the better, right? You're talking about 2/3 the size and 2/3 the weight. So literally, places where this guy couldn't go, this guy's going to be able to take you. The smaller we can get it, the much better.
You can put this on television, the video?
Yes, broadcast quality video. So how we've done that, and both of them shoot the same quality video.
So how would you attach this to other things? It comes with an underwater housing, and it also comes with a foot.
Yeah, so it ships with a couple different accessories. Right here is the bear, and that's going to allow you to put it into the waterproof housing. So this is splashproof out of the housing. But when you put it in this guy, then you're going to be able to take it 16 feet underwater, which is awesome. And then full control with the buttons here and whatnot.
So you don't have to open up the housing to access the buttons.
Right, yeah. So the one thing you do lose, of course, is Wi-Fi underwater. That's just how that technology works.
So we lose Wi-Fi in the water, but can we take the watch in the water with us too?
Yeah, it's actually dust-proof, splash-proof, and it's basically rugged.
So what are some cool features of this small Action Cam Mini?
Well, above and beyond HD video, you can take still photos up to about 12 megapixels, so really high quality. You can also set it into time-lapse mode, so you can set it up and take some really cool video of sun rising or sunsets and all sorts of different things.
So is this replacing anything in the lineup?
Nope, we're adding to the lineup with this, so this is going to be available in October, and it's going to run right alongside the AS100 as well as our entry-level AS20.
Got it. And how much is this going to run for?
This is going to be $250, and what you're going to get is the camera, the housing and the little foot, and a couple little adhesive pads to get you going. And then you can also buy it as a bundle deal with the Live View remote. With the Live View remote, it's $100 more at $350.
Great. And then in comparison to this guy?
The AS100V is $399.
So thanks for coming and talking to us today about these action cams. And you guys, thanks for watching. You can see more Signal content at youtube.com/signal. And Christina, we'll see you later.
Thank you.